Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you essay on topic Fitness Beats Pandemic. So before we begin with the video, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. COVID-19 has directly as well as indirectly affected everyone and have various implications on health. It is known to have varied effects on people depending on their immune system. Luckily, in over 19% of cases, it causes only mild symptoms and people recover well at home. But for the remaining 10%, the infection develops to a serious stage leading to hospitalization. Most of those severely affected have low fitness levels and mostly have long medical history of some ailments. Many people have lost their lives and many are still the victims of this situation. And with this, everyone should understand the importance of the safety rules. This pandemic has also enlightened the importance of maintaining fitness and staying healthy. Exercising is especially important now as it's very helpful in reducing stress and anxiety, boost the immune system, and improve the sleep pattern of an individual. Physical activity remains restricted due to the stay at home guidelines, and even as gymnasiums and fitness centers opened up in the latest phase of the unlock, most of people are refraining from visiting. Therefore, it is very important for us to squeeze in some amount of exercises and important fitness measures in our daily routine so as to ensure our safety from the virus. Now that we all know, fitness not only means exercising and staying physically healthy, it also includes staying mentally and spiritually healthy. And also, it is necessary to maintain a proper lifestyle for fitness during the circumstance of this pandemic. The most simple yet effective means to stay fit are by doing yoga, meditation exercises, spending an hour or two in the sunlight and breathing in fresh air, drinking an adequate amount of water, and taking a balanced diet, and avoiding foods that are rich in sugar, fat, or an excessive amount of salts, etc. Mindful meditation can have immense health benefits, including providing immune function, reducing blood pressure, and enhanced cognitive function. The COVID-19 virus have a bad effect on the lungs, and thus staying fit, you can get the advantage of better immunity and a healthy respiratory system, improved cardiovascular health, and hence reduced post-COVID complications, a better elevated mood when you are cut down from the rest of the world. Staying fit is the key to beat pandemic out of your body. Make your immune system up to the mark through regular exercise and healthy diet. Even if you get infected, there are good chances of you getting cured at home if you are fit and healthy. So guys, that is it for today. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.